This is the WORKPRO 2-pack of garden pruning shears. I love garden pruning shears. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived safe, packed up nice. Each of them were wrapped individually and bubble wrapped for protection, so no problems there. Inside the box, you're going to get a pair of 6.9-inch bypass pruning shears. These pruning shears would work great on something like this fig tree when it comes time to prune it. And a 6.9-inch pair of straight tip clippers. I like these straight tip clippers because they're basically a heavy duty version of these type of clippers that I already use and I broke the safety on. And these straight tip ones will work great on my blueberry bush when I want to contain it inside of that thing. And for this ridiculous bush, look at that. Yeah, it makes easy work of the smaller stuff. This is a nice little backyard set that has most of your everyday needs covered. You're going to be able to cut small to medium sized branches with the pruners, and you're going to be able to hit the smaller stuff with the straight cutters or use them for shaping plants or other tasks. The grips on here feel comfortable to me, comfortable enough. They're rounded, they feel good in my hand, and they should be good if I end up using these for a few hours at a time. They call this a non-slip grip or a non-slip handle, but it's still a little colder here and my hands are dry. So the grip's good enough right now, but I think most likely it will be a lot better for me in the summer when the humidity hits. I'm assuming this is an ABS material or a hard plastic. It feels durable, no concerns about dropping these anywhere. There's a safety lock on each of these. I find the best way to open them for me is to squeeze down a little and use my finger to open them and my thumb to close it. I can't get a good grip with my thumb, so that works for me. I think if there's any weak link at all on here, it's going to be the switch. It's plastic, not the worst thing in the world. If it does go, they say that the bypass pruner has a cutting capacity of 5/8 of an inch in diameter, and that the straight tip blade can handle up to 3/8 of an inch in diameter. But you can see they open up pretty good. Overall, parts wise, the whole thing looks pretty sturdy to me. We got a star bit right here. And it looks like the whole thing can be disassembled here in the event that you wanted to do a good cleaning or sharpen the blades. The pics say that they are SK5 steel. If so, that's a high carbon Japanese steel. It's known for its toughness and edge retention, etc. I'm not a steel expert at all, but I know that some companies use SK5 to make tactical knives, stuff like that. They also say they are chromium plated for rust resistance, but you always want to make sure you give them a good wipe down when you're done. I cut this piece with the pruning shears and it's roughly the same width as the handle on this thing. And, you know, you can cut something this big with it, but man, you really got to work on it when it's this thick because, you know, your hand's wide open and you don't have a lot of leverage on it and these don't ratchet. So, I mean, perfect for smaller stuff like this. This is just going to cut like butter. I don't think it's really meant for larger stuff. And obviously, too, that's going to depend on the type of wood you have. This is a cedar, and it's been sitting out there for a while. We've got a cedar limb I cut off, and anything this size is just perfect for these straight tips. I use a smaller version for my tomatoes. These things are like a heavy-duty version, plus they, you know, you can get into areas where you can't get with the bigger ones, and it cuts through the smaller stuff easy. There you go. This 2-pack pretty much covers everything in the small to medium-sized range for your backyard or garden. These would be great for flowers, shaping plants, maybe rose bushes, smaller fruit trees, bonsais, maybe shaping a bonsai. Really small to small mid-sized limbs, all kinds of stuff that you find in the back garden. Very nice.